Are you shaking? Are you okay?
I'm nervous.
Okay, you are a little nervous. You want to dedicate this song to your mother.
Yes.
So we're gonna sing Because You Loved Me for your mother. For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never left before. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. You were always there for me, the tender and the care for me, light in the dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration, through the lies you are the truth. My world is so very blessed because of you. You were my strength, my voice when I couldn't see. Oh, when I couldn't speak. My eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. You set me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. My voice, you saw the best there was in me. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am 'cause you love me. Oh, I'm everything I am because